Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, 8:28, mid-50s.
US 341 North 4th Avenue.
Going to low to mid-60s. We're on our way to Mary Ross Park, where the original pot that was used to make the first batch of Brunswick Stew is located. We did a short on it the other day. We're going to do a longer version of it today. The first stew was made on St. Simon's Island in this pot, and now it is over here at Mary Ross Park, Waterfront Park, here in Brunswick, Georgia. Says we are 5 minutes from there. We'll be turning right in 4/10 of a mile. And that's right there at the marina and right around where the shipyards were, where the Liberty ships were built. This is US 341. It'll take us to Jessup. I don't know if we're going to be here tonight or whether we're going to, I'm not sure what we're going to do. If we're here tonight, we're going to look for somewhere that has power so we can use the heater. It's going to be in the mid-30s tonight. There's a ship there. Video of downtown Brunswick. With the Insta360 and or maybe the GoPro Black 10. Or either this, I don't know. Anyway, I've got some video. I don't have it uploaded yet. Old Town Brunswick Historic District. I haven't seen the first Chevrolet van for sale. Okay, we'll be turning left and then turning right. So we're following US 341 as it weaves through Brunswick. I have a feeling at one time that this was US 341 and it went all the way down to US 17, but that's just a guess. I do not know. We are taking you to the pot that was used to brew the first batch of Brunswick Stew, July 2nd, 1898. For all of you Brunswick Stew lovers, the different recipes of Brunswick Stew. Wonder how many different recipes there are for Brunswick Stew. I wonder what the original recipe was. I wonder if anybody still has it. One, but we're going to turn right here. They were working on that ship there the other day. We're going to turn in right here and we'll park up here because that pot is right up here. In and we'll walk over there and let y'all see it. There it is right there. That's the original pot, the pot that brewed the first pot of Brunswick stew. Who else brings you this? Who else brings you this kind of content? Please like, share, and subscribe. Over 3,200 videos, all sorts of videos, wildlife, personal, human interest, all kind of stuff. People dancing in the park. I'll show you that here in a minute. If they keep dancing, they just stop. That couple over there, they were hugged up dancing and carrying on, going around and around. Somebody needs to tell me that Chevrolet van over there. We don't need to identify them. Those must be some type of cruise ships. Okay, let's get out, go over there and check out the pot. Hey, Mary Ross Park, Brunswick, Georgia. Right here on the river. I guess this is the Brunswick River. They need to work on the Georgia flag there, don't they? And here you go, the pot that was used to make the very first batch of Brunswick stew. I guess a couple of cruise ships over there. A couple that's been hugged up over there for, I know, 5 minutes or more. Okay, this video is probably 3 or 4 minutes long, 5 minutes long. We'll be heading back tonight or in the morning to Arcade or either Ackworth. We don't know for sure yet. This will wrap this one up.